Hi, welcome back to Mediocre Arts and Crafts. Today I'm going to do a flip through of a trifold mini album that I made using this Hot Tropic paper pad from Craftsmart. It is made with this coordinating paper pad, but of course you can use any coordinating paper. And I also used envelopes. So I didn't do separate hinges and I didn't have to do math to figure out fancy folding. I just used these envelopes. I used 12 of them. These are the A7 Invitation from Valbox. These are a great buy on Amazon, and I can link those below. But they have the self-seal strip, and if you're making a mini album or using these in craft, usually the way I have these all kind of stacked together, it's easier just to use the white glue instead of the self-adhesive, because the self-adhesive will stick down and stay, and I didn't have any wiggle room or time, so a couple of pages I had to take out and do over. So let me show you. So for this mini album, I took what essentially ended up being 3 signatures of 4 envelopes and stacked them inside each other, something like this, and then stacked them next to each other the same way. So I can do a full tutorial on this. It was pretty simple. If you'd like me to do that, please leave me a message in the comments below, and let me take you through it. This album has a stretchy cording binding. So this is the stretchy cording that I use on my traveler's notebooks. And it comes in a variety of colors, and all I did was put a small hole in the side here on that what is essentially binding or spine, and then I just tied it in a couple knots here so it wouldn't pull all the way through. Now my album opens up like this. And this paper pack is not something that I would generally use, but it was pretty fun. It was different for me. I tried to make it so that someone who maybe isn't crafty would still enjoy it and be able to get some photos printed and easily maybe glue them down or put them into the little pockets. Almost every one of these pages has a pocket. 2, 3, 4, I think, of the pages I left just plain so that a larger picture could be printed and adhered here. But there's a pocket here. And all of this paper went really well together. At first I wasn't sure about the gold foil, but it is accented on a couple of different pieces. And so there are some journaling spots here. This one says Tropical Vacation and has some birds, and that's in pocket as well. A couple more pockets here. These are one of the cut aparts from the paper pack, and another pocket here. This one says Tropical Vibes and has the flamingos. And a pocket there. And even this little guy is a pocket. I just glued it on the 2 sides and adhered that down. Then here we go with the rest of it. It's got some fruit and some fruity drinks in it, and some pineapples, and a few more pockets. I didn't put notches in these pockets because it was pretty evident, just because they're so different from the back, that they were separate. And here's another full sheet. I thought it was pretty cute. I think this would be cute with a smaller photo too. And let's see here. And so that's the second part. And then the third part is here with, again, this page with the drinks, and I tucked some little of the cut aparts in some of these pockets. Journaling spot. Another large page, some more of the strips that I cut out, and some more of the flamingo and turtle paper, which I really love. This happens to also have a hidden pocket here. When I first started designing this, I anticipated having quite a few pockets, but it is pretty substantial already, and I didn't want to have to make a lot of gussets for a lot more bulk. So I just put it all together and covered it up with some of the paper from the pack, and that is my Tropical Trifold mini album. It just closes up like that. I hope you enjoyed this flip through. If you'd like me to do this project or any other type of paper project, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.